Ever thought about a world where ice is hot? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not quite. Picture this, a planet where the ice is not cold, but hot. Almost unfathomably hot. A place where the laws of physics as we know them seem to be turned upside down. It's hard to imagine, isn't it? But such a world exists, way out there in the vast reaches of our universe. Welcome to Gliese 436b, a planet that's as enigmatic as it is fascinating. Nestled 30 light-years away in the constellation Leo, Gliese 436b sits in silent testament to the wonders and mysteries of our universe. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible, where heat doesn't melt ice but instead forms it. Yes, you heard that right. This is a planet covered in a layer of hot ice. But how can ice be hot? Well, the answer lies in the extreme pressures and temperatures that exist on Gliese 436b. This is not your average planet. It's a place where the temperature soars over 500 degrees Celsius. Yet despite this intense heat, water on the planet's surface doesn't evaporate. Instead, it forms an exotic kind of ice known as Ice X. What's even more fascinating is that Gliese 436b orbits its star in just 2.5 days. That's a year on Gliese 436b. Imagine celebrating your birthday every few days, but don't pack your bags just yet. This isn't a hospitable place, not by a long shot. The extreme heat causes the planet's atmosphere to expand and escape, forming a comet-like tail. So are you ready to embark on an adventure to the stars? To uncover the mysteries of a world where the ice is hot and the year is shorter than a weekend? Well, there's no need to pack a suitcase or prepare for a long journey. All you need is an open mind and a sense of wonder, so buckle up as we embark on this journey to the planet of hot ice, Gliese 436b. Imagine you're setting off on a journey 30 light-years away to the constellation Leo. Picture this, you're aboard a spacecraft, bound for a destination that's a staggering 180 trillion miles away. That's the equivalent of circling the Earth over 7 million times. The vastness of space is laid out before you, and your target is Gliese 436b, an exoplanet nestled in the constellation Leo. This isn't your average 2-day trip to the beach, oh no. This is a journey that spans light-years. In astronomical terms, a light-year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, around 6 trillion miles. Now multiply that by 30. It's a mind-boggling distance, isn't it? And it's where we're heading. Gliese 436b is a unique spectacle in our cosmos. It orbits its parent star in just 2.5 days. To put that into perspective, Mercury, the planet in our solar system with the shortest orbital period, takes about 88 days to complete its orbit around the Sun. Gliese 436b, on the other hand, zips around its star in a fraction of that time. As we traverse this colossal distance, the passing stars would become a blur. The usual markers of time, day and night, lose their meaning. Time as we know it is left far behind. The journey would take us beyond the realms of human exploration, past the familiar planets of our solar system, and into the uncharted territories of interstellar space. Our destination, Gliese 436b, is an exoplanet that breaks all the rules. It's a scorching, fiery world encased in ice. Yes, you heard that right. A planet covered in hot ice. It's a paradox, a contradiction, a mystery that challenges our understanding of the universe. As we draw closer to this enigmatic exoplanet, the anticipation builds. What will we find on this burning ball of ice? What secrets does it hold? And perhaps most importantly, how will we survive in such an extreme environment? Brace yourself, because what awaits is a world unlike any other. Welcome to Gliese 436b, a planet that defies what we know about the universe. This is the burning ball of ice, a cosmic paradox that challenges our understanding of the natural laws. Gliese 436b, located 30 light-years away in the constellation Leo, is a celestial phenomenon that compels us to rethink what we know about the universe. It's a place where ice burns, where the chill of frozen water coexists with a scorching heat beyond our wildest imaginations. It's a place where the average temperature soars above 500 degrees Celsius, a temperature at which, here on Earth, water would boil, then vaporize. Yet on this distant exoplanet, water exists not as a gas but as a solid, a burning hot ice. But how could this be? The answer lies in the immense gravity of Gliese 436b. This force, many times stronger than what we experience on Earth, presses down on the water, keeping it in a solid state despite the intense heat. This isn't the ice we scrape off our windshields on a cold winter morning. This is hot ice, a form of water known as Ice 7, kept in its solid state by the immense pressures of the planet. This hot ice is not just a bizarre curiosity, it's a reminder of the extraordinary diversity of the universe, a testament to the remarkable conditions that exist beyond our home planet. It's a cue that the universe is a place of endless possibilities, where the laws of nature can produce outcomes that seem to contradict our everyday experiences. This burning ball of ice, Gliese 436b, is a world that defies our expectations. It's a world that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible and challenges us to expand our understanding of the universe. It's a world that teaches us that the universe is not just stranger than we imagine, but stranger than we can imagine. Intriguing, isn't it? But the mysteries of Gliese 436b don't end here. Beyond the scorching surface of Gliese 436b, there's a sight that's even more fascinating. The planet's extreme temperatures, exceeding 500 degrees Celsius, result in an extraordinary spectacle. The intense heat causes the planet's atmosphere to expand and escape, much like water boiling in a pot. But instead of steam, this cosmic kettle spews out a mix of hydrogen gas, heat, radiation, and particles darting around at high speeds. These components coalesce into a magnificent spectacle, a comet-like tail trailing behind the planet. Picture a comet, a celestial snowball of gas, dust, and rock. As it journeys through space, getting closer to the sun, it heats up and starts to outgas. This outgassing forms a glowing coma around the nucleus and a tail that points away from the sun. Now imagine this same process but on a planetary scale. That's Gliese 436b, an exoplanet transforming into a celestial object of wonder due to its intense heat. This comet-like tail isn't just a beautiful spectacle though, it presents a formidable challenge to space travel. Venturing into this tail would be like flying into a cosmic sandblaster. The high-speed particles combined with intense heat and radiation could result in a spaceship melting and being chipped away bit by bit. This makes the approach to Gliese 436b much more dangerous than one might initially think. Moreover, the escaping atmosphere also implies that the planet is gradually losing its mass. While this process takes an incredibly long time, it gives us a glimpse into the possible fate of the planet. One day, Gliese 436b might end up a barren rock, stripped of its unique atmosphere and its beautiful, comet-like tail. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, Gliese 436b serves as a reminder that the universe is a place of constant change and extraordinary phenomena. It also underscores the significant challenges mankind faces in the quest to explore the vast expanse of space. A journey to Gliese 436b, it seems, is not for the faint-hearted. Despite the dangers, wouldn't the exploration of such a planet be the ultimate adventure? Gliese 436b, the burning ball of ice, is no ordinary celestial body. Its unique, paradoxical conditions present a daunting yet tantalizing riddle for the brave explorers who dare to venture into the unknown. The journey to this exoplanet is not for the faint of heart. This is not just a voyage of 30 light-years across the vast expanse of space, but a journey into the heart of the extreme, where the laws of nature as we know them are turned on their heads. Our spaceship would need to survive the searing heat, intense radiation, and high-speed particles in the comet-like tail of Gliese 436b. The risk of being chipped away or even melted is very real. But as they say, fortune favors the brave. But why would we take such a risk? What could we possibly hope to gain? The answer, my friends, lies in the thrill of discovery, the allure of the unknown. This exoplanet is a treasure trove of scientific knowledge waiting to be unlocked. Its hot ice surface could provide invaluable insights into the formation of planets and the evolution of their atmospheres. The way its atmosphere expands and escapes could reveal new facets of atmospheric science. It could even help us understand the potential for life in extreme environments. Exploration of Gliese 436b is not just about the destination, but also the journey. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know and where we can go. It's about challenging our understanding of the universe and our place in it. So even in the face of danger, the spirit of exploration pushes us forward, ever curious, ever daring. The burning ball of ice, with its enigmatic hot ice and comet-like tail, beckons us to venture into the unknown, to challenge the known limits of our capabilities and knowledge. This is the ultimate adventure, the ultimate test of our resolve and ingenuity. And who knows what wonders we might uncover in the process.